Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charisma. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are not, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now so you can be a part of my family. I would really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and jump into this. So last week over the weekend, a Google of just big ass YouTube influencers were chilling with Benefit out in Utah. We were all wondering what were they doing out there in the middle of the desert. Well, that's what it looked like. And Benefit was preparing to launch their newest mascara. So the new mascara is called Bad Girl Bang. This is it right here. I have the mini. This is not the large bottle, this is the mini. This is the Bad Girl Bang mascara. This retails for $24. It is on sale right now in stores at Ulta and Sephora, as well as benefitcosmetics.com, I believe. Now, like I said, I do have the mini because you guys know I am the queen of the minis, and I don't like to buy full-size products because I haven't tried them yet. With the mini, at least it's small, and if I don't like it, I can always take it back. So I had to run out and pick this up because I was looking at the photos of some of the influencers that were out there in Utah with Benefit, and oh my god, the mascara, it is just like the bomb. It looks so good on them, and I really wore well. I've been wearing it the entire weekend. And also, of course, my other holy grail product is Benefit's Roller Lash. This is also their mini, the mini roller lash. I'm trying to see if my camera can focus in on that. There we go, you guys. Roller Lash, oh my god, Roller Lash, they're real, are the two best mascaras I have ever used in my entire makeup career. Like, seriously, it's, oh my god, it's everything. I want to go ahead and get into what I wrote down in my notes from the Benefit Cosmetics website. Bad Girl Bang is a 36-hour volumizing mascara. It creates massive volume without weighing down your lashes. Its custom big slim packed brush is streamlined to reach root to tip, corner to corner, upper and lower lashes with a 360-degree reach. This is a smudge-proof mascara. It's water resistant, and it has pro vitamin B5 in it. Like I said, the large is 24, the mini is 12. And let me reiterate, water resistant does not mean waterproof. So you can get it, you know, get your eyes wet, but I mean, if you're just like jumping in pools and all that, then it might run on you. So it just depends. Also, the 36-hour wear. I had seen a lot of comments on different social media sites saying, oh my god, who's gonna wear their mascara for 36 hours? Obviously none of us, but I think that they're just saying that it lasts really long, and if you happen to wear the shit for 36 hours, it's gonna last. So I think that's what they meant by that. I'm not about to get into that. I'm not wearing mascara for 36 hours, nor am I sleeping in it. Do not ever sleep in your makeup. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the demo. I have no mascara on right now, and I wanted to go ahead and get into a demo to show you guys how this performs. Okay, first of all, the wand. The wand had me a little scared at first because I'm like, oh my god, this thing is big. It looks clumpy. But after using it for a while, I don't really have any issues with it. It does bend. Can y'all see that? It does bend with you, so that's a cool thing. I'm going on top. Now we're gonna go under. Wow, wow, wow. Y'all. Oh, Jesus. Okay, like, OMG. This stuff is the business. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. It does what it says, but the only con I have is that if you don't like spider lashes, really clumpy lashes, then this is not the mascara for you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply Roller Lash on top of this, and I'm going to finish my other eye with Roller Lash and the Bad Girl mix, and then we'll see the difference, okay? Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I've applied Roller Lash and the Bad Girl all together on the top lids. Now on the bottom lid, it's just the Bad Girl mascara, and as you can see, it's slayed the bottom lashes, ladies. Look at this. Slayed. Oh my goodness. When it says that it volumizes, they are not bull crapping. Damn. Would I recommend this mascara? I sure would. Like I said, it pretty much does what it says. It did volumize my lashes. It did make them look a lot longer because I have itty bitty lashes, and it did make them look a lot longer. It is smudge proof. Like I said, I've worn this for the entire weekend and I didn't get any runniness or anything of that, you know, nature. And you know, some days we don't want to put on falsies. So to me, this is a great alternative to not wearing false lashes every day, because the lashes to me look false. They look like false lashes. This is retarded. Like, ooh, ma'am. Those bottom lashes. Girl. Look at my gray hairs. Y'all, it's time to dye, girl. It is time to dye that hair. Look at them grays, girl. I love my grays. I'm not ashamed, girl, but I do dye them because no. But that 41 is cool. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to, once again, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I'm also going to leave links down below to my wig store. If you guys want to shop any of my wigs that I do review on my channel, feel free to take a look at my website. Also, don't forget to click that thumbs up button if I provided you with great quality content today. Share my video on Twitter and Facebook if you can. And don't forget to come back and watch me again. Until next time, guys and girls, I'll see y'all. Bye.